स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Ready? Start. We find signs of pessimism in our youth. Millions of our young people do not succeed in getting employment, and millions remain dissatisfied even after getting employment because they do not get what they want. We have to concentrate on the employment scene. There are some weaknesses and deficiencies in our setup. There is employment, there are jobs, but the education skills that are required to fill up the vacancies are not there. Millions of boys and girls are matriculates. Millions of them are degree holders, but all cannot get white collar jobs. We have taken care of these things. In our new education policy, it has been our endeavor to make up for the deficiency in our setup. Through this policy, we will ensure that the boys and girls coming out of schools and colleges get such education which provides them employment. At the same time, we will have to see that the rural employment programs are implemented to give maximum benefit to the people. Going further, we have heard Mr. Tushar Mehta, learned Additional Solicitor General for the Union of India, Mr. K. Radhakrishnan, learned Senior Counsel, appearing in interlocutory application number 94 of 2018 in writ petition number 76 of 2016, Mr. Mahesh Jeth Malani, learned Senior Counsel, appearing in interlocutory application number 91 in writ petition number 76 of 2016, and Mr. Soumya Chakraborty, learned Senior Counsel, appearing in interlocutory application number 94 of 2018 in writ petition number 76 of 2016. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioners and the interveners that homosexuality, bisexuality, and other sexual orientations are equally natural and reflective of expression of choice and inclination founded on consent of two persons who are eligible in law to express such consent, and it is neither a physical nor a mental illness. Rather, they are natural variations of expression and free thinking process, and to make it a criminal offense is offensive of the well established principles pertaining to individual dignity and decisional autonomy inherent in the personality of a person, and a great discomfort to gender identity, destruction of the right to privacy, which is a pivotal facet of Article 21 of the Constitution, unpalatable to the highly cherished idea of freedom, and a trauma to the conception of expression of biological desire, which revolves around the pattern of outline of true manifestation of identity. That apart, the phrase order of nature is limited to the procreative concept that may have been conceived as natural by a systematic conservative approach, and such limitations do not really take note of inborn traits or developed orientations, or, for that matter, consensual acts which relate to responses to series of free exercise of assertions of one's bodily autonomy. It is further argued that their growth of personality, relation building endeavor to enter into a live in relationship or to form an association with a sense of commonality have become a mirage and the essential desires are crippled. It is urged that the American Psychological Association has opined that sexual orientation is a natural condition and attraction towards the same sex or opposite sex are both naturally equal, the only difference being that the same sex attraction arises in far lesser members. Stop. Over.